How would it feel to earn an additional $36,500 every year? This is certainly a large sum of money. But did you realize that this amounts to making $100 every day? If you can figure out how to make $100 each day, you can significantly increase your annual income and attain your financial goals more quickly. Furthermore, depending on your skills, there are numerous opportunities to earn extra money on the side. So if you're looking to earn $100 every day, this is the piece for you. Just a quick note. Many side hustle ideas or ways to generate money online pay well, but there isn't enough stable job to always make money. Similarly, some side hustles just do not pay well enough to allow you to earn $100 every day. So in this video, I'm focused on money-making ideas with the chance to earn $100 each day guaranteed, rather than lower-paying professions that can't make as much money. Number 1. Deliver food with DoorDash. Trying delivering for DoorDash is a simple way to earn $100 per day guaranteed. DoorDash is North America's most popular meal delivery app. You can make money as a courier by delivering meals to people on your bike, scooter, or car. What's more, DoorDash drivers make an average of $23 per hour. This means that if you work a few hours a day, you can earn $100 each day with DoorDash. You can also earn more if you get lucky with tips or work in a busy. Furthermore, if you apply specific DoorDash hacks and driver tips, such as delivering at the greatest DoorDash times, you may be able to earn more each hour. DoorDash also pays you weekly via direct deposit or quickly if you pay $1.99 for fast pay, making it a speedy method to make money if you're in a hurry. Overall, gig apps such as DoorDash are one of the most consistent methods to earn $100 a day. Plus, if you chose to deliver with your bike, you can effectively get paid to work out. Number 2. Flip stuff for profit. While earning $100 per day may take some time to build, flipping things for money is a highly useful side business you might try. The main idea is to purchase popular things at a discount and then resell them online or in person. This is known as retail arbitrage, and famous items that buyers flip include books, clothing, cosmetics, electronics, home goods, toys, and video games. People typically sell retail arbitrage items through Amazon FBA, and this method works well if you want Amazon to handle all of the delivery. However, you can also experiment with different selling apps and websites. Apps for general online selling, such as Mercari or eBay, are excellent examples. You can always try selling items on Facebook Marketplace if you prefer cash. Apps like Poshmark and Depop are other excellent options for selling clothing. The idea is that there are numerous ways to earn $100 per day with a secondhand business. And I know it's doable since I interviewed 2 folks that run a retail arbitrage pair side hustle and earn over $200 each day online. This did not happen quickly, but it is a more creative way to earn $100 every day. Number 3. Create passive income streams. Speaking of passive income strategies, why not combine several sources of income with earning $100 daily? Of course, I love blogging, but for me, this is still a semi-passive source of income. However, there are several ways to generate a passive income that can help you earn $100 per day. Some of my favorite concepts are investing in stocks that pay dividends, how to make money on YouTube, generating income as a landlord, selling a membership service of some kind, and using fund drives to invest in real estate that generates income. And don't think that for it to be successful, you need to generate $100 each day from just one passive income source. Number 4. Deliver groceries with Instacart. Making money with Instacart is an additional approach to receiving $100 each day with a guarantee. A well-known grocery delivery service, Instacart is accessible in more than 5,000 North American cities. You are paid to buy groceries and bring them to people's doors as an Instacart shopper. In order to increase demand, you can easily make $15 to $25 and above each hour using Instacart, especially if you grab enough batches. Like jobs like DoorDash, Instacart shoppers also keep 100% of all bonuses. Additionally, by driving at the prime Instacart periods, for example, you can maximize the number of order requests you receive and possibly boost your income. With Instacart, it still takes some time to earn $100 every day. To increase their earnings, though, gig drivers frequently use 2 or more food delivery apps together. So don't be scared to earn money through DoorDash, Instacart, and other delivery services like Uber Eats. Number 5. Complete odd jobs for cash. There are many apps for odd jobs that enable you to perform various activities for locals and get paid on the same day. So if you're prepared to work hard, this is another way to guarantee yourself $100 per day. You can always check out websites like TaskRabbit as a starting point, which allow you to advertise a range of services to people in your city. You decide your hourly pricing and availability as a tasker. You can also provide a wide range of services to people, including errand running, handyman work, furniture assembly, landscaping, moving help, painting, and tech help. Although TaskRabbit is just one option, it can take some time to find enough work in your area. I discussed the idea of seeking for cash gigs on Craigslist and other similar websites to get additional money in my YouTube video. You still have choices if that doesn't work to earn $100 every day. For instance, Winolo connects you with local businesses in need of hired help right away. Construction, event staffing, line cooking, and bartending are a few examples of Winolo occupations. The majority of positions pay $15 per hour or higher. Number 6. Start a pet sitting business. Do you enjoy working with dogs? If so, opening your own pet sitting and walking business is one way to earn $100 per day guaranteed. Offering your services to local pet owners you know will help you launch your business. You can also use gig economy apps like Rover to find your early clients. Rover connects pet owners with sitters and walkers, relieving you of the effort of locating clients. Walkers and sitters can earn $1,000 per week with enough duty, according to Rover, and earning $20 to $25 per hour is not uncommon for walkers. Pet sitting is more effort, but Rover allows you to specify your availability, as well as the breeds and sizes of dogs you wish to work with. You can learn how to create an eye-catching profile that attracts clients by reading their piece on the greatest Rover headlines. Number 7. Start an e-commerce business. Starting your own e-commerce business is another way to earn $100 per day online. The earning potential of e-commerce is massive, and making $100 each day is far from unachievable. You also have a lot of options to think about. For instance, I ran a print-on-demand business on Etsy throughout my time in college. I literally built nasty coffee mugs in order to make money using memes, and I actually sold one. I used Printify, an Etsy print-on-demand feature, so I didn't even have to build the mugs myself. If you have some design skills and want to make money with your artwork, this type of e-commerce business is great. You can also try selling on Redbubble or Society6, 2 other popular POD marketplaces. Another method you can gain money through is e-commerce agency work, and if you can find a client or 2 on contract, you could potentially make hundreds of dollars each month. Number 8. Drive for Amazon Flex. Working for Amazon Flex, like other driving jobs, is another viable option for earning $100 a day. Amazon Flex drivers are paid for delivering Amazon packages in their city. You're paid between $18 and $25 per hour on the road, so a single shift might easily pay $100 or more. The most difficult part of making money with Amazon Flex is receiving enough blocks, which Amazon refers to as delivery shifts. This is due to the fact that blocks are accessible on a first-come, first-served basis. Therefore, there is a lot of competition among drivers to claim them, however, because a single block might earn $100 or more. It's a great driving app to have on your phone. Number 9. Try online tutoring. Do you have excellent knowledge of a particular subject or course? If this is the case, you can certainly earn $100 per day or more as an online tutor. Many companies seek tutors for a range of courses, and earning $15 to $25 per hour as an online tutor is fairly uncommon. As an example, ESL teaching is very popular, and firms like QKids frequently engage native English speakers to teach kids from all over the world. If you live in the United States, you can also teach math and English for firms like Booknook, which pays at least $18 per hour, but can pay much more with bonuses. Other sites, such as Tutor.com, provide more general tutoring subjects, and you may always offer private tutoring services. There are also online tutoring opportunities for teens, college students, and grads, so there is plenty of possibilities to earn extra money in this field. And number 10, rent out assets. Renting out items for money is another passive approach to earn $100 each day. The most obvious example is offering a spare room or complete rental unit on Airbnb to make money. Because many rooms in big cities cost more than $100 per night, you can probably make a few $1,000s per month with a few rentals every month. And Airbnb is just one example of how you may make money by renting out items you own. Another interesting example is Neighbor, an app that allows you to earn money by renting out extra storage space. This is similar to Airbnb, however. Neighbor allows you to rent out different kinds of spaces, including attics, basements, bedrooms, garages, parking spaces. If you rent out space, you choose your monthly rental fee, and Neighbor app pays you with PayPal money every month. Finally, firms like Turo allow you to generate passive revenue by renting out your vehicle. All of these are examples of how you might possibly generate $100 per day in passive revenue. And you can always grow your rental business if it becomes successful. I hope this information on how to make $100 a day guaranteed helps you get closer to your financial goals. Just keep in mind the importance of earning more money. After all, as the saying goes, a dollar saved is a dollar earned. Good luck with your side hustle.